What's up? Last video I forgot to film an intro. That's pretty cool. Also, yes, I have a guitar. No, I do not really know how to play it. I learned a little bit, but that's not the point of this. The point of this video is to I'm going to show you some simple upcycles you can do with your clothing, so that's going to be really fun. But before we get onto the video, please subscribe down below and also turn on the bell, or hit the bell to get notified when I post. Also, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you want to. So, if you want to know how to make this bucket hat, I recently did a video on that. I'm kind of wearing it wrong. The seam should probably be at the side of my head. Don't worry about it. If you want to know how you can make this lovely painting, that's not this video. Okay, so on to idea number one. Idea number one, to iron on a patch onto some clothes. However, if it's material, like fabric that needs to stretch, or if you're going to wear it a lot, I would definitely recommend sewing the edges once it cools down. Otherwise, it could probably peel off. When I was making this one, that's what happened. But it's okay, I fixed it. I also hadn't probably ironed it for long enough. Okay, so my second idea is embroidery. I've wanted to do this more. It's kind of good if you are like, you can do like a little bit of embroidery, or if you have like a lot of time and you're really bored, you could do like harder embroidery. Like there's some pretty crazy designs. I've only done like simple like stitches and stuff so far. So I did a video where I embroidered daisies all over my jeans. So I'll try to insert a clip of idea number 3, tie-dye. So this isn't necessarily like an upcycle, because you could just like buy like a white shirt or whatever, but I have used old white shirts in the past before and tie-dyed them. The one I cut up and used this fabric. So for Christmas, one of the things my brother got me was like a white shirt and some tie-dye, so pretty excited about that. It's your project. Another cool thing is reverse tie-dye, and like you could do just like with bleach, or you can do bleach, and then I've seen some people, so they reverse, so they'll take like a black shirt and then they'll like bleach it or whatever, and then they do like reverse tie-dye with like a bunch of different colors and stuff. Oh, it's so cool. I'd love to try that one time. Okay, so the next idea that I have is you could either like just stress the edges of something, or you could even full on like rip like a hole in like a pair of jeans. I've done that before once. It was super fun. The most time-consuming part is ripping out the vertical threads, I guess, like the blue or the black or whatever, or white, I guess it could be, like whatever wash your jeans are, to reveal like the strings underneath. That's the most time-consuming part. But yeah, super fun. Like this took a while, but like if you like put on a show, listen to a podcast, something, you know, just chill, just vibe. Right, I've lost track of what idea number this is, but I've seen some different like videos or different ideas, or you know like how color block is kind of a thing, so you can have like a hoodie with like different color sleeves, or like a t-shirt or whatever. Like I really want to try that, or like even like just like I kind of want to make like a shirt with like almost like scraps of like old fabric, or like chunks or like pieces or whatever, and like sew them together, almost like a quilt but shirt. You know, if it's done right, I'm sure it'd be cute. But another cool thing is you could take like, I saw this once in a Melanie I'm not sure how to pronounce her last name, like Lockie, I think, or something like that. I mean, one of her videos, and she took two like identical hoodies and she swapped out the sleeves and the hood, and I thought that was a super cool idea. I think it could be cool, like a half and half t-shirt or a tank top or sweatshirt, like number whatever this is. Another thing that I've also I kind of wanted to try was like a patchwork denim jacket. So you take like old like jean, not really like scraps, but like pieces or whatever, you sew it like that or whatever. Like I think those are cool. Also, I've seen like patchwork jeans. Another cool idea could be to take like a pair of jeans and then turn them into shorts. Or like one time I saw this like ad for I think like Levi's jeans, and it was saying you could take like an old pair of Levi's jeans and turn it into a skirt. I think that could be another cool thing to try, to turn a pair of jeans into a skirt. My last upcycle idea for you guys is you could try doing a thrift flip. It doesn't have to be super complicated. It could kind of just be whatever you want. It could also, I've seen people do thrift flips. It doesn't have to just be clothes. You could take like an antique kind of a thing. You could flip it. Maybe like a piece of jewelry. Like, who knows? You know? Be creative. Have fun. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Hope it inspired you, gave you some more ideas. If I think of any more, I'll record it and pretend like I thought of it before I thought of the thrift flip one. So that's cool. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. See ya. One last idea real quick. You could take something and like resize it to fit you better, or like whatever, or you could like try to make it your more of like your style. Anyway, hope you guys have a great day. See ya. That didn't really work. Comment down below any videos you would like to see or stuff you would like to see me make or whatever.